Hey everyone, this is Annapurna SK from B.Tech CSE 5th semester, GM University, Davangere. Today I am here to present a Unity project from the subject Augmented Reality and Virtual Reality. It is a 2D interactive game development. It is called HitMe, and I'll walk you through all the 4 phases from assignment 1. Let's get started. Show you the Unity demonstration. Phase 1 is core gameplay. So here phase 1 was focused on setting up the basic game. Here in the Unity scene, you can see the main camera and canvas which contains the score test and live text. I created a target prefab using a 2D circle sprite with a rigid body 2D component and a collider. This allows the target to move and be clicked. In the hierarchy, I have the spawner game object, which is responsible for generating targets at random positions. The target controller script controls target's movement and handles click detection. When the player clicks a target, the game manager script updates the score. If a target is missed, a life is deducted. This phase helped me understand Unity's prefab system, 2D physics, and basic UI updates. Next is phase 2, game mechanics. Phase 2 is mainly focused on improving game mechanics. I implemented multiple targets per wave, increased difficulty by changing spawn rate and target speed, and added a game over panel. Here you can see the game over text appears when the player loses all lives. The restart button allows the player to play again without restarting the Unity editor. I adjusted the target speed and lifetime dynamically to make the game more challenging and over time. This phase taught me how to manage game states and smooth player experience. Next is phase 3, player profile and Hall of Fame. In phase 3, I added a player name input panel. Before starting, the player enters their name and selects difficulty. This is done using TMP input field and a drop down for difficulty. The game manager pauses the game until the player starts. After clicking start, the game begins. I also implemented a leaderboard system. Scores are stored in JSON file in application.persistent data path. The top scores are displayed in the Hall of Fame panel at the end of the game. The Hall of Fame shows players' names and scores in decreasing order. This phase helped me understand persistent data storage, JSON handling, and improving the UI. Next is phase 4, advanced feature. Phase 4 added audio, pause, resume, and exit functionality. I created an audio manager game object with multiple audio scores, one for background music looping continuously, another for sound effects playing when the player hits or misses a target. Here, you can hear the hit sound when I click the target and the miss sound when a life is lost. I also added a pause panel when resume, restart, and exit buttons. Pressing the escape key shows this panel. The resume button continues the game. The restart button reloads the scene. The exit button quits the application. I adjusted the button's positions. Resume on the left, restart in the middle, exit on the right. I also enhanced the game over text with outline and color to make it more visible. So UI and audio overview is all UI elements are placed inside the canvas and panel like game over, Hall of Fame, player game, and pause are disabled initially. They are activated only during the relevant game state. The audio sources are assigned properly in the inspector. Hit and miss sounds are triggered by game manager methods add score and lose life. Background music loops during gameplay, enhancing player engagement. To conclude, phase 1 is basic gameplay with score and lives. In phase 2, game mechanics and game over system. In phase 3, player profile and leaderboard with JSON storage. And in phase 4, audio, pause, resume, exit, and enhanced UI.